Hey, this is Kevin from Infiniti. Here we are arriving at Briarcliff. This is actually the back of Briarcliff. As you can see, there's lots going on over here. They're busy installing all the roofs. We're busy with a whole lot of construction on the 2 mock-up units. There's a 2-bedroom we're doing and a 1-bedroom. They're heavy into replacing the whole roofs here. And I'm about to meet Henry there in the black t-shirt, who is our general contractor. And he is going to be responsible for making sure this all happens in a timeous, beautiful manner. As you can see, lots and lots of good stuff happening here, hard at work. It's starting to look really good. We've got our concept for the 1 and 2 beds all sorted out. We're going to be painting all of the, we're going to be putting brand new windows in with a beautiful light, thin black frame that opens out. All of these awnings are going to be painted black. The front doors are going to be painted black. There's a little bit of wrought iron work that we're going to be doing. It looks a little bit like that, which will tidy up and make it look really pretty. All of this brickwork is going to be painted white. As you can see, they're very busy replacing the ceilings now. So when we start all the interior work, there's no issues there in terms of leaks or anything that can be disruptive to our process. And it's going to put a beautiful, we'll do a beautiful box hedge like this all the way along, all the way to the front gate. And the front gate's going to have a beautiful wrought iron black security gate as well. So it's going to look really... Okay, here we are coming into the 1-bedroom, and this is Terry. Terry is our project manager on site, and Henry is the big balaboss here. He's our general contractor. And this is, we're busy gutting the 1-bedroom at the moment, and Terry's going to give us a bit of an update of what's happening here on site.
Hello. We are currently in the process of, well, we were doing some drywall in the areas that we're able to do the drywall in. We're waiting on the HVAC guy to come in and run his lines, and then we're going to clean up a little bit, and we're going to...
We've got a leak to fix.
We've got a leak to fix in the bathroom.
And I had asked, just so you know, Kevin, to find out if the unit above is vacant, which we just need to verify because we're going to need to access that unit to fix this leak. But then we need to have a conversation about the bathrooms. You know, a lot of pictures have been going back and forth. We've run into one snag that we need to talk about, and then everything else is really coming along. We've got the doors here. We're getting ready to hang the doors. As you can see, they've already started doing some of the trim work, and the drywall is pretty much hung and ready to finish. But like she said, we've got to get the line sets done for the HVAC. We've got a few more minor electrical things to fix, and we got to figure out this bathroom. So we need to talk about the bathroom.
Let's go and have a quick look. Terry, show us the way.
Sure. Follow me.
Okay, this is the bathroom.
Yes, this is
a
the
little bit of
bathroom.
a laundry cupboard here.
So here, let me let you hold these for me.
And that's...
So if you could.
Okay, so we've made some big decisions about the bathroom, and we've solved the problem with the shower head. So Henry's going to tell us about that.
So we started out with this being our plumb wall. All of our plumbing's located here. We've put the plumbing here for the washer and dryer that goes on the other side of the wall there. The HVAC line sets are going to be over here, so you know that's why this is all open. But in order to fix our problem with the plumbing being on this side versus the vanity and toilet being on this side and being able to have a door in our shower, we're going to take this shower head plumbing and carry it up through this chase and bring it back down and put the shower head here. Based on Kevin's idea, which is a great idea, we're going to recess a single handle mixer for the controls here. So you will turn the water on and off here, but the shower head will be on this side of the wall. That allows us to then do the glass door concept. We had talked about possibly doing just a single stationary glass panel with no door, or the stationary panel with a inside-outside swinging door, or possibly a pivot door. So we're going to explore that and get a final answer on that. But that's what we're doing with the shower.
Okay, we're just walking into the master bedroom here in the 1 bed. At the back there's closets, and over here on this side is where we're going to have the HVAC and laundry room. So Henry, take it away.
So we talked about earlier, this was one deep closet with a door in the hallway. We closed that door in, opened this wall up. This will be a bifold door, 2-panel bifold to match these doors, which are the doors you're getting throughout the rest of the unit. And then we'll do the HVAC here and a stackable washer and dryer here. And you can see we've already plumbed for that. There is a light in here. This fixture will get changed. It's just a hanging fixture for now, but we'll have a light fixture in there. Then of course the bedrooms, we'll get a ceiling fan, and you'll keep these two closets. We're going to eliminate the existing closet hanging unit, which is, as you can see, not very plumb and sturdy or aesthetically pleasing. So we're going to get rid of that. We're going to fix the closets, paint them, and then we're going to do wire shelving hanging on this side at a little bit higher level. And on this side, we're going to do a hanging shelf at about halfway for a low hang, and then 2 shelves above it. And that'll be your master. You need to do it tall and wide for me.
Okay, this is the kitchen area.
Right. So we're in the kitchen. So one small modification we made is we took this wall out. We could only take it out a very short distance because we've got electrical here, and then we've got the electrical panel on this side. And to relocate that panel would have been kind of a great expense. So it limited what we could do with this wall. But we took it out as far as we could to open the kitchen, opening up some. We took out the old furnace that was there. And so now what we have in the kitchen is this space. The intention is that we are going to do L-shaped cabinets from this point all the way over to this point. We're going to put a pantry cabinet in this corner. I would imagine, with that being the case, we'll put the refrigerator here. Your sink is going to be located here with dishwasher beside it. Well, I need to talk to him about, is that where the stove was, Ruben? Yeah, we may need to move the stove onto this wall. So we're going to do sink, dishwasher, turn the corner, do stove here, and pantry cabinet there. You'll have countertop all the way, through this L shape, and then you'll have upper cabinets above.
Okay, here we are walking into a 2-bedroom. As you can see, we're busy doing the model unit now. It's a bit of a construction site at the moment, but here we are walking through the lounge dining area to the kitchen area, which is obviously a bigger space. There's Uncle Henry.
Please say Uncle Henry. So, since Kevin is such a taskmaster, I feel like I've got to say the reason I'm sweating so profusely is because not only is it very hot here in Hotlanta, this guy's running me ragged to do my best Vanna White impression. So this is the kitchen and the 2-bedroom. Now, as you see, we were able to take more of this wall out. This wall did, L shape right here, so that gives us a better opening. We've got the same issue though, where we have electrical in the panel and this wall, so we didn't have the opportunity to open it up as much as we would like, but I think this is still going to give us a very nice opening. Similarly, and I want you to see, did you see the plumbing before in here, Kevin? So you see we've redone all the plumbing, and it just came straight out. And what I was afraid of is, we weren't really going to be able to leave the cabinets intact. You would have to open them up. So they actually went into the wall and re-plumbed everything there.
Give it to me, Henry.
Yeah, so if you'll remember, we had a door out here in the hallway, and this was a deep closet, kind of a deep linen closet. So we opened it up, framed it in. It's going to get bifold doors. The doors will match the 2-panel that we're doing everywhere else. And this is going to be your HVAC and washer dryer closet. You can do a stackable here and your HVAC here. So you kind of get both of your mechanical and your laundry there. So